Boom, what's up, team? Quick announcement. Protector Symposium 3.0 has digital attendance available now. So if you can't make it because of any of the things going on around COVID or work or international travel, you can now go to protectorsymposium.com and you can join us for the event live and also get lifetime access to the digital classroom back there and the event, so you can, make everyone you love watch it and learn all the different things we're going to cover within the spectrum of the art of protection. Everything from human trafficking, behavioral profiling, hand-to-hand tactics, being your own bodyguard, blade work. All of it is going to be there. Go to protectorsymposium.com and join us for this live event, live stream it, and then get the digital deliverable on the event afterwards. This is Byron Rodgers, protected by nature and by trade, and I can't wait to train with you. Out.